Hello, today we will be unboxing this set and reviewing it. Hope you enjoy. So first let's take a look around the box. At the front there it shows you what it is, a truck, a trailer and two ATVs, and it comes with two different minifigures. It's age 5 to 12 and is set number 60148. It's from the Lego City series. So around this side, nothing around here. You've got the just normal stuff, and then on the back the man saying hey whatever shows you some like pictures of the set once it's built. Yeah, that's the same size, and then on the top it shows you a scale of the minifigure and one of the ATVs and two of the minifigures. So now we will unbox it. So let's turn it around and start unboxing it. Let's press these down here. Oops, never mind. Let's pull this part out here. And then we've got bag 3, bag 2, bag 1. A big long piece that probably can't fit in the bag or something. And then we've also got book 1. We've also got book 2. And we've also got the stickers. So there's about 6-7 stickers in this set. Let's just check this. Yep, so there's another long piece and nothing else in the box. So now I will build it. So as you have just seen, I have built this set using the time-lapse feature on the iPad mini camera or any iOS device. So now we will review this set. So this set comes with two minifigures, a boy ATV racer and a girl ATV racer. The boy has a red cap and a red helmet. The girl has short gingery brown hair and a black helmet. Both helmets have a visor, and let's take a closer look at each minifigure. So the boy minifigure, as you can see, has quite a calm expression. He has a grey jacket and a red jumper and some dark blue jeans. The girl here has a red and white jacket and a grey jumper. She also has grey trousers. Her expression is more like a tiny bit angry with her eyebrows, but more like concentrated and serious. So this set comes with 2 good minifigures, so now we're going to see how good the vehicles are. So the first main vehicle is the truck here with the attachable and unattachable trailer. It comes also with 2 different ATVs for the 2 minifigures. So first we're going to take a look at the truck and the trailer. So this trailer can hold a oil tank, a spare tyre which is quite loose, which is quite bad, and also a coral hammer. The trailer can stand up on its own with this piece here, and can also hold 1 ATV. The 2 flaps at the back which can go down, and you can push the ATV up. So now we're going to take a look at the truck. So this truck can do the same as the trailer, hold an ATV, which you can just pop these up, and there you go. So yeah, and also it has the place where you can attach the trailer into, and the truck overall is like, I really like it, but there's one thing that annoys me, because there is 2 minifigures, as we've just been over, but there's only 1 space for a minifigure. So I do have a way of overcoming this, which I'll do a video soon on how to make your truck a 2-seater, so do stay tuned for that. But that basically wraps up our review. So thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed, please like this video and consider subscribing. I do more of these LEGO reviews. Stay tuned for a LEGO Ninjago review, which will be coming out shortly, and sorry minifigures, and also stay tuned for the video where I show you how to make your truck a 2-seater. Bye bye.